We are a small team of investment professionals with a combined 90 years of financial services experience encompassing accounting, economics, corporate finance and investment analysis. As an antidote to an industry that almost inevitably overcharges, our intention is to provide our insights free of charge. We're here to uncover some of the sharp practice that goes on in the world of professional investment, to expose and demystify the jargon which is designed to confuse you and have you believe certain elements of finance are far more complex than they actually are. The motivation being to enrich the advisor at the detriment of the underlying investor. Our aim is to guide you through the complexities of this investment world by concentrating on and emphasizing the importance of sound fundamental concepts. We will also highlight many of the dishonesties, dangers and pitfalls. Bad experiences are somewhat inevitable in the uncertain world of investment, and using our hard-earned experience we believe we can minimize yours. We'll do this by passing on as much of our knowledge as we can contained within this YouTube channel for free forever. And to be clear, we are not personal wealth advisors. We have no insight into your personal finance affairs and therefore can't give you advice tailored to your individual circumstances. What we can do is give you the knowledge you need to make your own financial decisions. And if that sounds intimidating to you, I promise it's nowhere near as bad as you think. We aim to produce content that will speak to the experienced investor while also being able to bring new people along for the journey. We will provide unbiased, independent and honest coverage of the world of investment. At the same time, to ensure absolute editorial independence, we have no intention of taking fees or commission from any market participant. The simple goal is to help you protect your hard-earned savings and grow them for the benefit of yourself and your family. We'll cover a broad range of economic and investment topics, and we plan to have a degree of permanent relevance in many videos, while others will be a little bit more topical in nature. The following is a short and far from exclusive list of very broad topics that we plan to cover that we consider it critical that you understand. 1. The importance of protecting your savings and investments from the ever-present threat of inflation. 2. The miracle of compounding. 3. Keeping your costs of investment low. 4. Avoiding scams, get-rich-quick schemes and Ponzi schemes. 5. Attractiveness of competing asset classes, equities, bonds, property and alternatives including crypto. 6. How to construct a portfolio of our favorite investment class, high-quality equities. 7. Methods of managing and maintaining your funds over the years. 8. Enhancing your investment skills to include research, dealing and idea generation. 9. Developing a fundamental understanding of macroeconomics. And 10. How to enjoy this whole process without letting it dominate the more important areas of your life. We are not here to be self-serving. We are not grifters. We are not interested in selling you a course. We are not trying to befuddle you with 6 ideas for passive income and nonsense videos about drop shipping and how easy it is to make a fortune from home. We are here to provide you honest advice as we would to our children and our families. With all that said, welcome to P42. We're going to enjoy making the content, so we hope you enjoy watching it.